Welcome back. You are now ready to begin Unit 5, Supporting Your Opinions with Evidence, Part 1. Your assignment this week is to participate in the second class debate, this time on Course Topic 2. The purposes of the debate are to give you and your peers an opportunity to examine all sides of the topic and to complete some initial research. It's also a way to interact with actual readers. You can see in real time if your opinions have strong reasons and evidence, and what areas may need more support. Additionally, the debate gives you an opportunity to see how someone with an opposing view makes their argument. The Unit 4 individual project from last week provides the foundation for your debate. You've had a chance to think about your opinion and why you have that opinion. You've also had the chance to consider why someone might have a different opinion. Be sure to review your instructor's feedback, as he or she may have suggestions on how to strengthen your argument, and apply that feedback as you craft your main post and replies to your peers. Let's close with some final thoughts on the class debate. Keep an open mind to new ways of thinking about this topic, and take note of strong points made by your classmates. If you choose to write your research paper on Course Topic 2, then the Unit 5 discussion board will be a great resource when you begin thinking about how to structure your research paper. Good luck and have fun!